हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आप सबको स्वागत है मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल में। तो आज हम बात करेंगे टॉप 50 वेल्डिंग एमसीक्यू बारे में। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज योर वेल्डिंग इज ए प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑप्शंस आर जॉइनिंग मेटल्स, कटिंग मेटल्स, पेंटिंग मेटल्स और रिमूविंग मेटल्स। द आंसर विल बी द joining metals, option A. The next question is question number 2. The arc welding uses options are chemical reaction, electric arc, gas flame or pressure. The correct answer is your B, that is your electric arc. Question number 3 is your the heat source in gas welding is, the options are electric arc, oxyacetylene flame, induction or resistance. The correct answer is your option B, that is your oxyacetylene flame. Question number 4 is your in arc welding the electrode may be consumable, non-consumable, both or none. The correct answer is your option number C, that is your both. That means it will both consumable and non-consumable. Question number 5 is your TIG welding uses, the options are flux coated electrode, option B is your tungsten electrode, carbon electrode or nickel electrode. The correct answer will be the option number B, that is your tungsten electrode. Question number 6 is the MIG welding is also called GMAW or SMAW or SAW or GTAW. The correct answer will be the option A, that is GMAW. Question number 7 is the in resistance welding heat is produced due to induction or I square R loss, arc or gas combustion. The correct answer will be the B, that is your I square R. Question number 8 is your spot welding is a type of arc welding, resistance welding, gas welding or brazing. The correct answer will be the B, that is your resistance welding. Question number 9 is the purpose of flux in welding is increase heat, remove oxides, increase arc length, reduce current. The correct answer is remove oxides, that is your option B. Coming to the question number 10, brazing uses filler metal with melting temperature below 200 degrees centigrade, 200 to 300 degrees centigrade, above 450 degrees centigrade or above 1500 degrees centigrade. The correct answer will be the C, that is your above 450 degree centigrade. Question number 11 is soldering uses filler metal with melting point above 450 degree centigrade, below 450 degree centigrade, above 1500 degree centigrade or 700 to 800, 900 degree centigrade. The correct answer will be the below 450 degree centigrade. Question number 12, shielding gases in MIG welding is oxygen, argon or CO2, nitrogen, helium only. The correct answer will be the B, that is argon or CO2. Question number 13, which welding produce strongest joint? The options are soldering, brazing, arc welding, adhesive bonding. The correct answer will be the C, that is your arc welding. Coming to the question number 14, oxyacetylene flame temperature is about 2000 degrees centigrade, 4200 centigrade, 1500 centigrade or 1000 centigrade. The correct answer will be the option B, that is your 4200 degree centigrade. Question number 15, neutral flame is used for welding cast iron, copper, mild steel or aluminum. The correct answer will be the C, that is your mild steel. Question number 16 is excess oxygen flame is called carburizing, oxidizing, neutral or reducing. The correct answer will be the oxidizing. Question number 17 is electrode coating provides shielding gas, flux, arc stability or all of these. The correct answer will be the D, that is your all of these. That means shielding gas, flux, and arc stability. These three will be the answer. Question number 18. In TIG welding, filler metal is mandatory, optional, not used, or never used. In TIG welding, filler metal is mandatory, optional, not used, or never used. Correct answer will be the B, that is your optional. Question number 19. Tungsten electrode is used in MIG, SAW, TIG, or gas welding. Correct answer will be C, that is your tungsten inert gas welding or TIG. Question number 20. Just see, porosity in welding is caused by moisture, high speed, high heat, or large electrode. The correct answer will be the moisture. Due to moisture, the porosity is developed in the welding process. Question number 21. Just see, crack in welding occurs due to high cooling rate, low current, short arc, or high gas pressure. The correct answer will be the A, that is a high cooling rate. Question number 22. Just see, purpose of preheating is decrease ductility, reduce distortion, increase hardness, or improve porosity. The correct answer will be the B, that is a reduce distortion. Coming to question number 23, ultrasonic testing detects, surface detects, internal detects, only cracks, or only porosity. That is your correct answer will be the internal defects. This is a ultrasonic testing detects. This actually is a NDT process, NDT, non-destructive testing process. Okay, coming to the question number 24, dye penetrant is test is used for internal flaws, surface cracks, chemical defects, or gauge accuracy. The correct answer will be the B, that is a surface crack. Coming to question number 25, radiography test uses X-ray, sound waves, heat, or light. The correct answer will be the A, that is your the correct answer will be the A, that is your X-ray. Coming to question number 26, board joint is formed by end-to-end, overlapping plates, T-joint, or corner joint. The correct answer will be the your A, that is end-to-end. But in case of a lap joint, it is overlap condition. This is overlap condition, lap joint. But board joint, this is end-to-end. Coming to question number 27, lap joint is formed by overlapping plates, end-to-end, corner, or edge. The correct answer is your A, that is your overlapping plates. Coming to question number 28, electrode size increase with plate thickness, voltage, polarity, or torch size. The correct answer will be the A, that is your plate thickness. Coming to question number 29, arc flow occurs due to gas pressure, magnetic field, high temperature, or electrode coating. The correct answer will be the B, that is your magnetic field. Coming to question number 30, sputter is caused by high current, low current, gas absence, or all of these. The correct answer will be the A, that is your high current. Due to high current, the sputter occurs. Coming to question number 31, in MIG welding, metal transfer not used is short circuit, spray, pulse, or atomic transfer. The correct answer will be the atomic transfer. In question number 32, brazing filler metal mainly contains tin, copper alloys, silver, or lead. The correct answer will be the B, that is your copper alloys. Question number 33, the soldering flux contains zinc chloride, borax, lime, or carbon. The correct answer will be the A, that is your zinc chloride. In question number 34, the hottest part of the oxyacetylene flame is the inner core, outer core, neutral zone, or tip. The correct answer will be the inner core. Question number 35, which welding gives spatter free operation? The options are MIG, TIG, SMAW or SAW? The correct answer will be the B, that is your tungsten inert gas welding. Question number 36. The resistant welding electrode material are what? Aluminum, brass, copper alloy or steel? The correct answer will be the C, that is your copper alloy. Question number 37. The C. Spot welding mainly joins thick plates, thin sheets, cast iron or tubes. The correct answer will be the B, that is your thin sheets. Question number 38. Flash welding is a type of gas welding, arc welding, resistance welding or brazing. The correct answer will be the C, that is your resistance welding. Question number 39. Slag inclusion is caused by high gas pressure, poor cleaning, high heat or low speed. The correct answer will be the B, that is your poor cleaning. Due to poor cleaning, slag inclusion is occur. Question number 40. Undercut occurs due to excess heat, low voltage, short arc or high pressure. The correct answer will be the excess heat. Due to excess heat, undercuts occur. This is a welding defect. This is a welding defects. Question number 41. In TIG welding, shielding gas is nitrogen, argon or helium, air or CO2. The correct answer will be the B, that is your argon or helium. Question number 42. Submerged arc welding uses bare electrode, copper electrode, flux blanket or tungsten electrode. The correct answer will be the C, that is your flux blanket. Coming to the question number 43. Carburizing flame has excess oxygen, excess acetylene, neutral ratio, no heat. The correct answer will be the B, that is your excess acetylene. But in case of an oxidizing flame, there will be excess oxygen will be there. Coming to question number 44. MIG welding uses tungsten electrode, flux coated rod or wire electrode or no electrode. Out of these four options, the correct answer will be the wire electrode. Question number 45. Not a welding defect. Out of these four options, which is not a welding defect? Porosity, crack, slag inclusion or machining? The option is D, that is your machining. Question number 46. Heat affected zone occurs due to high heat input, no preheat, sealed gas or polarity. The option is A, that is your high heat input. Question number 47. MIG welding polarity is mostly DCEA, DCEP, SC or no polarity. The correct answer will be the B, that is your DCEP. Direct current, electrode positive. Question number 43. Question number 48. Your brazed welding uses filler, no melting base metal, melting only flux or melting both. The correct answer will be the A, that is your filler, no melting base. Question number 49. Soldering is used for steel plates, copper wires, thick plates or cast iron. Correct option will be the B, that is your copper wires. Question number 50. This is your last question. The best test for internal defects is your options are visual, magnetic particle, radiography or dye penetrant. Correct answer will be the C, that is your radiography. This is a NDT process, non-destructive testing process. Thank you for watching this video till the end. 50 top question था MCQ welding का. So after this class, in the next class, we'll study about the your metal forming. 50 top metal forming MCQ. तो इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, जो भी SSC जेई और RRB जेई और एनी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट टेक्निकल एग्जामिनेशन में प्रिपेयर हो रहा है. तो थैंक यू.